Welcome to Sant Tukaram National School, Latur. Class 2nd subject maths, chapter number 4, that is addition. I am Kiran Jagtap. Dear students, in the last video we have learned about the addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Now let us learn more about the addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. We are going to learn in this video. Here with regrouping means with carry. We are carrying to the next number. But the exact word for the carrying is regroup. Here we are regroup the numbers from the example number 1. Here I have taken 3-digit numbers 482 and 163. These two numbers are 3-digit. So let us add these 3-digit numbers and we are going to find out the sum of these two addends. So here we are starting from the ones place. In the ones place, 2 and 3 digits are there, 2 and 3. We are adding 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, the answer is same only. So let us see 3 plus 2 is 5 or 5 plus 2 plus 3 is also 5. 5 is a single digit number as it is we are writing in the ones place. In the ones answer column. That is the 5. Whenever we are adding from the ones place, we need to write the answer in the same place, in the same column. And come to the next place, that is the tens place. Here 8 and 6. They both digits are there, 8 and 6. We are going to add these numbers, these digits, and that answer we are writing in the answer column of tens place. 8 plus 6 is 14. Here 14 is the 2-digit number. 14 I will write on the side. Here ones and tens I will write here. 14 is the 2-digit number. So we need in the answer column only the single digit. But our answer came in the 2-digit. So what to do here? From the ones place we take the digit, which digit is there in the ones place, from the sum. Here the sum is 14, here 4 is in the ones place, so this 4 we are writing in the answer column. This 4 we are writing in the answer column, that is the 4. And remaining 1 we are carrying to the 100 place. 100 place we carry here. Now this 1 is counted in the 100 place. So here 4 plus 1 are the digits in the 100 column. With these two digits, we are adding this 1, which we carry. 4 plus 1 plus 1. Here 6. Our sum is 645. In the example number 2 here, we are going to solve. The numbers are there 296 and 524. These are the numbers of 3 digits. We are going to add these both the addends to find out the sum of these two numbers. So let us start from the ones place again here. Whenever we are adding the numbers, we start from the ones place only. So here 6 and 4, these are the digits in the ones place. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here again we got the 10 number of 2 digits. Here 10 I will write. In the 10 number, we have to write the ones and tens place. Ones and tens. 0 in the ones place and 1 is in the tens place. So we need only the 1 digit in the answer column. So we are writing always from the ones place. That is the 0 is the digit in the ones. So as usual, we write 0 in the answer column, in the ones column. Here 0 I will write. And the 1, this 0 I will, the 1 we are carrying to the next place. That is the tens place. So it becomes 1 tens. Now here 9 plus 2 or 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Again we got 12 in the 2-digit number. So again from the ones place we are writing in the answer column the digit that is the 2 and remaining 1 we are writing in the 100 place. Now this carried 1 is now it becomes 100, 100. When it goes in the tens place means 1 tens. If it is carried in the 100 place means 100 is considered. Here 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 820 is the answer. The addition of these two numbers is 820. So like this we have learned 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Thank you.